हेलो बच्चों, इस वीडियो में सीखने
Today we will try to learn some alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Yellow color.
येलो कलर।
A for aeroplane. M for monster. P for parrot. Y for year. Pink color. D for dust. H for horse. T for torch. V for vanilla. Orange color. C for cucumber. N for nest. R for rest. Violet color.
ब्लू कलर।
F for fan. K for kite. O for ox. Z for zip. Golden color. B for bird. L for lollipop. Q for queen. Red color. E for Egypt. I for ink. U for unicorn. Green color. G for ghost. J for jackfruit. S for ship. W for window. Blue color. X for xylophone. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello kids, how are you? Let's learn some colors. Red color. A for aeroplane. Green color. B for butterfly. B for ball. Yellow color. C for chocolate. C for candy.
Light
Blue color. Number 1. O and E. 1. Orange color. Number 2. T W O. 2. Violet color. Number 3. T H R E E. 3. A for avocado. B for butterfly. C for candy. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.